Okay. Good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed some properties of charge. Okay, right? Today we are going to have some additional information about methods of charging, and here also we have some problems oriented according to NEET and JEE Mains and advanced level. Okay, right? So be careful, students. This class is very important for you. Be careful while listening this class. Okay, right? Now, so methods of charging. Methods of charging, how we can make a positive charged body, how we can make a negative charged body. We already know about that, but please listen once. Okay, right? Now, charging by rubbing or friction. Charging by rubbing or friction. First one, we have taken a glass rod. This is what, ma? Glass rod. This is a glass rod. If you rub this glass rod with a silk cloth, if you rub this glass rod with a silk cloth like this, you rub a glass rod with silk cloth, then what happens? In this glass rod, the electrons may get transferred from here to your cloth, silk cloth. Okay, right? Understood? Now, what happens here? In this glass rod, this is body 1, this is what, ma? Body 2. This is body 1, this is body 2. While we rub this, then what happens? The electrons from this glass rod is going to get transferred from here to this silk cloth. Now what happens here? Here the electrons may get transferred, so that this body becomes as positive charged body. Who is going to lose the electrons? You're going to become as positive charged body, and who is going to accept that electrons? This is taken as negative charged body. Okay, silk cloth is negative charged body, glass rod is positive charged body. This is glass rod. This is silk cloth. Okay, this is taken as positively charged body. This is what, ma? Negative charged body. Negative charged body. Okay, understood, students? Now, this is body 1, this is body 2. We all know about that. Body 1, this is glass rod, this is silk cloth. While we rub this, the electrons is going to transfer from here to here. Here, initially, it has excess amount of electrons. Excess amount of electrons are there. After this, there is deficiency of electrons will take place. After rubbing, we got deficiency of electrons. Here, after observing the electrons, it has excess amount of electrons or not, students? Yes or no? Now, according to body 1, initially it has more number of electrons, means excess amount of electrons are there. It has less amount of deficiency of electrons are there. After rubbing, the electrons are get transferred from body 1 to body 2. After we have the condition is deficiency of electrons will take place, so that the total charge accompanied by this body is Q is equal to plus Ne. Integral multiple of what type of charges are present here? Positive charges are present in this glass rod. In this silk cloth, what type of charges are present here? Negative charges are present, so that there is a total charge accompanied by this silk cloth is Q is equal to N number of charges are going to get transferred. N number of electrons are going to get transferred. Ne minus Ne. Okay, right? Understood, students? Okay, got it, ma? Understood? Next, here also we have some conservation of charge will take place. Conservation of charge will take place. Why? Because here in this, initially the charge is there. Initially in this glass rod, this is the glass rod, we have equal amount of protons and equal number of electrons and equal number of protons are there. While we rub with silk cloth, if suppose there are 10 electrons are going to get transferred to this silk cloth, then equal amount of charges are going to get transferred to this glass rod. That means what, ma? Initial total charge, which is equal to final total charge. Okay, this is conservation of charge. Initially it has 5 electrons. After final it got 5 protons. Both are charges, so that the charges are going to get equal. Okay, now coming to second part, charging by conduction. From this we are having so many problems. This is very important topic. We are having so many problematic this is. Okay, be careful while listening this. Charging by conduction. We have a metal sphere. This is neutral body. Neutral. Why we are saying that neutral body? In this, if we have in this body, if we have 3 electrons, 3 protons are there. 3 electrons, 3 protons. Hence, this body is called as what? Neutral body. If any body which has same number of electrons and same number of protons, then that body is called as neutral body. Now, this is a insulating stand. This is a insulating stand which is made with a plastic. Okay, right? This is a metal ball. This is a metallic sphere of radius. Okay, now of radius r. This is our second metal sphere which we have taken near to this. This is charged. This is a charged metallic sphere which is positively charged. Charged with positively. Charged with positively. This is a positively charged sphere. Okay, which is positively charged on this surface. Okay, right? Now, when we made contact between these two, I taken this metal sphere 1 towards this second. Then what happens, ma? In this metal sphere, around this we have what, ma? Positive charges there. And there is some charges are going to get distributed towards this second sphere also. Okay, understood, ma? Now what happens? There is some layer will form like this. Positive layer will form on both these two. After dividing these two, then what happens? Ma? In sphere 1 and sphere 2, equal amount of charges will going to get distributed. Why? Because suppose for simple example, if you have a tank like this, this is a tank. This is a tank, ma. This is a tank. Okay. In this tank, up to this level, here one stopper is there. Rubber cork is there. Stopper. This is a stopper. Up to this, we have water. Okay. Now here we have what is this level. We are going to applying some force on this water. Then what happens? The water up to this, the water is not flowing. While we remove this, if it not there, okay, right? Then the rubber cork is not there. Then what happens? The water will flow like this. Up to what extent it will flow? The level which is present here, up to this level, the water is going to get flowed. Okay, water will flow up to this level only. That means what, ma? Here, what level the water is present, in the same case the water is going to get taken place. Why? Because here the pressure is more, so that the water up to this level, the water is going to flow. After this, the water may not flow. After this, the water may not increases its level. Why? Because the pressure here and the pressure here are same. Okay, that means what, ma? Here the same level, up to the same level, the water is going to get stored. In the same case, while we made contact each other, the same number of protons are going to get transferred to this body also. After dividing this is a charged body, this is also a charged body. Understood, students? This is very, very important. What we are going to discuss here means, here the potential or the pressure in this part is same. Up to that level, the water level increases. After, when these two reaches to same height, then there is no increase in their level. Okay, water level. In the same case, if there is potential difference is same, up to this potential difference, if the potential is same in this and this container, in this container, this container, if the potential is same, or water pressure is same, then up to that level, the water level increases. After that, it may not increases. Here also the potential. What is potential for charge? Potential is their strength. Here the strength is more. After made contact each other, then the strength may get transferred to this. The positive charges may get transferred to this. Both may get, after some time, both may get equally charged. If suppose here, if there are 10 electrons are there, if there are 10 protons are there, here also it will become 10 protons only. 10 protons. if there are 10 electrons are may get transferred here. Here also 10 electrons. In body 1 10 electrons, in body 2 also 10 electrons. In body 1 10 protons, after body 2 10 protons. Here if you have 20 electrons, 20 protons like this. 20 protons. When we make contact each other, then equal amount of charges are going to get transferred to this body 1. Okay, after dividing this, we got 10 protons, 10 protons, 10 electrons, 10 electrons are present here. Okay, understood, student? That means what, ma? Up to what level the charges are going to get transferred? That means what, ma? Here the potential difference, up to the potential difference is same. If there is no potential difference, then the charge transfer will stops. Potential difference is very, very important concept. Okay, here water difference is there. So that water difference, here the water difference is more. After this, the water level is same and the pressure is same. So that up to this level, there is no change in this volume. Okay, got it, student? Got it, ma? Next, we have the problems according to this.